The crypto market, ADA price, red. I'm not surprised at all. And in fact, last night played out exactly how I thought it would. And right now, we're kind of preparing for this big moment this morning because this is going to impact next week's FOMC meeting. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. Again, it's free to subscribe. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. And I want to talk about what to expect this morning, what took place last night, and what we may see as we move forward here. So obviously, ADA price, we're down in the mid 33 cent range. This is dropping from about mid 34s yesterday. BTC dropping from what was it, about 58K yesterday, down into the 56 range. And really this all started to take place about 30 minutes into the debate last night. Not surprised. I said yesterday, 10, 15, 30 minutes into the debate, we'd probably see a sell-off. It has nothing to do with the debate itself. It's just what people do. They take short-term profit. We've seen this happen time and time again. So yesterday wasn't really a surprise. And I have to say that this debate was very disappointing. I watched the whole thing. I just sat here, watched it, kind of putzed around on the computer, just, doing stuff, diving into data. And I have to say that unfortunately Trump took the bait a bunch of times and got let off on a tangent, which means that he didn't get to talk about certain things that he could have crushed around, right? And at the same time, Kamala Harris was throwing some snowball questions, but what she did was continue to do the same thing, not provide clarity, not provide a plan, frankly, right? And there were some things that the moderators could have done to dive deeper into this, but they didn't, which is what was disappointing. For example, she talked about, oh yeah, they asked her directly, do you think American people are better off now than they were 4 years ago? And she went, oh, I was raised a middle-class kid, and didn't really answer the question and brought up, oh, a $6,000 tax credit and all this stuff. Well, they could have asked, well, first of all, you didn't answer the question, but second of all, how are you going to pay for these things? These are the reasons why it's important to have good moderators in these debates. And frankly, this debate, I don't think did enough to sway the people, the undecided voters, one way or the other. Hence why they're now, Kamala Harris's team has already asked for a second debate. But that's all I want to talk about with this debate. It was very disappointing. Yeah. Anyways, now this morning, the CPI report. We're seeing a bleed off, not just in the crypto market, but in the S&P as well. And everybody's kind of prepping for this make or break moment in the market. And expectations are actually fairly decent when it comes to the CPI report this morning. We're expected to have a very consistent month with what we saw in July. Not sure if that'll be the case or not. Again, remember early August, we saw big recession fears take place. We saw people really cut down their spending. But as the month went on, things picked back up. So we may end up around the same place that we were. Now, again, right now, betting odds, I believe, are 30% for a 50 basis point cut at the next FOMC meeting, which is taking place next week. And there are 70% odds of a quarter basis point decrease. And basically what the Fed is waiting for is just a kind of a confirmation of data from today's CPI report, tomorrow's PPI report, to see which one is the best option. Do we need to take a more aggressive stance, or can we slowly trickle these down over time? Remember, the goal, it sounds like over the next 3 rate cuts is going to be to cut everything by a full 100 basis points. Yeesh, that'd be crazy, right? But right now, the market is just kind of uncertain, right? There are still a lot of games being played right now, and there isn't a clear direction set. We know where the market wants to go, right? The market wants to go to the upside. BTC wants to go to the upside. It wants to break through these moving averages. And frankly, if data is good enough and you get enough positivity in the market, it's possible we may go on a spike here. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice. And frankly, today is going to be probably reactionary as we've been. A lot of these even good CPI reports, good jobs reports, things like that have turned into quick moves one way or the other, and then corrections following that. So know that we're going to experience probably some volatility today. That's the big thing I want to hit home on. And what that means is, that we're really going to have some volatility once we come to this FOMC meeting. So I appreciate you guys as always. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Let me know what you guys thought about the debate as well. Again, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys check out that referral link for Margex in the description below. Again, you can earn up to $10,000 in trading and deposit bonuses. There's no KYC, and they have that huge Caspa airdrop going on right now, $500,000, guys. Make sure you guys participate so you can earn your portion of this, because once it is gone, it is gone. Have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.